Early spring is the best time of year to transplant things. And here is a Siberian squill that has planted itself out in the grassy yard. So I'm going to dig it up and put it out the flower bed. So you get as much dirt as possible. And then you carefully carry it to where you want to plant it at. And then put it in the hole that you've just dug without breaking up the dirt any more than you have to. And just push the dirt in around it and plant it at the same ground level that it was already growing. And this here is a Siberian squill. It's a nice wildflower that will multiply.